Alright, this video is going to be on my engine of my 1994 C1500. I have the 4.3 liter V6 Vortec. I got a new manifold on the passenger side because when I replaced the exhaust on it, the manifold was shot. I have yet to replace the driver's side because of the manifold being $200. That's kind of an expensive thing to do right now if I don't exactly need it at the moment. I got a new alternator, and an interesting thing I saw on it was it says bestest on it. I don't know why, but things to do on this. I'm gonna take off the valve covers and clean that. Clean both of them. I gotta bleed my brakes, get new brakes. I need to get new tires. They're very, very bald. That's gonna run me back a couple $100. All while trying to save up money for college. Woo. No AC. Serpentine belt's still pretty good. There's no cracks in it. No cracks. So manifold. I can show you. This cab corner is pretty much non-existent. Driver's side, perfectly fine. Just a little look-see. This muffler came with the truck when I bought it. Only thing I replaced is this Y pipe. Well, this is a little section because the Y pipe was when I brought it to a place called the Muffler Shop where I live, and they pretty much cut off my exhaust and screwed me out of $150. So I had to buy a new Y pipe, and it came with the catalytic converter on it. You just put that on, you just bolt it right up to this, and we had to put a little spacer right here because my brother welded it, and I don't know how to weld yet. I'd like to learn. And just put it up. Now there's no exhaust leak at all in your drive shaft. I broke my aluminum one, so now I have a black steel one with brand new U-joints and the whole spiel. And it's nice and smooth.